Making learning fun. Kids Educational Channel. At a railway station. Conversation in English. Where is the booking window? Of which class? Of the first class. There behind the bookstall. Is the Bombay Mail running on time? It is reported to be late by 40 minutes. Are the trains crowded these days? No, it is not. Thank you. Asking for direction. Will you please tell me where the Place Hotel is? It is very far from here. How shall I go there? Hire a taxi and it will take you to that hotel. Thank you very much. It is the residence of Mr. R.K. Sharma. Which Mr. Sharma? Who is a professor of English? Yes, it is his residence. A dialogue with the traffic police. Where shall I find the house of this man? What is he? He is an advocate. Go to the yellow house. There lives an advocate. He will tell you about him. Please tell me where this hotel is. Are you a stranger? Yes, I am. I have come here only today. It is nearly 5 kilometers. Hire a taxi and it will take you to the hotel. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, then subscribe and share.